Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampur SSC exams. I am Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and I am here to welcome you again in this very important session what we have planned for you based on non-stop maths marathon mix problems. Yeah, based on non-stop maths marathon mix problems. So guys, come on, do join me, and once you join, please do not forget to let me know by your comments about your joining as well. Please keep on letting me know, guys, by your comments once you join. And after you join, guys, do let me know by your comments as well. Okay, so let's begin. Again, today it is going to be the same session as the previous one. Today also, guys, it is going to be the same session as the previous one, consisting of questions from 1, 2, 3 up to 50 maybe. Yeah, good evening, Prajwal. Consisting of questions from 1 to 50 maybe. I'm not saying that exact 50, but near about 50. If we will tackle 50 questions today, there is a huge probability. Okay, you have to make sure, guys, like yesterday, I have given you the target of 40. Today, the target is 45. Today, the target is 45 out of 50. So that would be the great target if you can stick to it. Hello Shrivani, very good evening to all others as well. So let's take a target of 45 out of 50 today. Let's take a target of 45 out of 50 today. Please maintain the what do you say, the numbering as well. Okay, maintain the numbering as well. Do the sharings, then we are going to begin it. At least share it once, guys, before we begin, so that everyone can join from the first question only. Okay. Very good evening, Prajwal, Srivani, and all others. So target for today is set as 45 out of 50. Okay, we can't wait too much now. I think this is the moment I should be starting it off. We can't, guys, wait too much. I think this is the moment I should begin it off. And here it comes. 1, 2, 3. The journey begins. Try to make 45 out of 50. Try to make 45 out of 50. Today's target. Good evening, Harika. First question of the day. First question of the day. Okay. To make it in the form of x plus 1 upon x. To make it in the form of x plus 1 upon x. Root x is there, so divide by root x everywhere. Divide by root x everywhere, so it will become root x minus 1 upon root x is equal to 5. Because this will go on that side and will become 5. Root x minus 1 upon root x is 5. Squaring once, x plus 1 upon x. Okay, when you square, guys, you will always receive it in the positive. A square plus b square. A square plus b square. minus 2ab. On that side, it will become plus 2. So 5 ka square 25 plus 2. Taking it little bit directly, I hope you can gather it. X plus 1 upon x is 27. Okay. From x plus 1 upon x 27 to x square plus 1 upon x square is 27 ka square minus 2. Sorry. 27 का square minus 2. बच्चा what is 27 का square? 729. 729 minus 2, 727. Answer. Sorry. So a good beginning for you. A good beginning for you guys. First question is done. Yeah, you can take care of unit digit as well. You can take care of the unit digit as well. 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay. Let's move on. Dear. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 का square is 3 by 4. Cos 45 1 by root 2. Cos 45 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 का square is 1 by 2. Sec 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Sec 60 is 2. Now, cos square 40 plus cos square 50. If angles are complementary, cos square A plus cos square B is 1. If angles are complementary, then cos square A plus cos square B is 1. Similarly, sin square A plus sin square B is 1 if angles are complementary. So that complete value is equal to 1. 3 minus 1 by 2. 3 minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. It is 2.5. Or you can say 6, 5 by 2 plus 3 by 4. 4, 10 plus 3, 13 by 4. 13 by 4. 13 by 4 is the correct answer, my dear. 13 by 4 is the correct answer. Well done. Keep it up. Amazing. Ivan, Shrivani, Prajwal, Harika, and Shrivani and all others. Ivan, Prajwal, Harika, Shrivani, and all others. Only 2 questions done so far. Only 2 questions done so far. So guys, have you like buckled up now? Have you buckled up now? Your hands have been set it down. Your hands have been set it down. The table is already proper. Because now the things will become faster with every question. This is called as the getting used to time. This is called as getting used to time in the beginning. We always require this time, guys, in the beginning. We always seat belts faster. We always require this time, guys. Two equations, three variables. Assume C is equal to 0. A plus B is 11, AB is 38. What is A cube plus B cube? Assume C is equal to 0 as two equations, three variables. Two equations, three variables. Assume C is equal to 0. So A cube plus B cube is A plus B का whole square minus 3 times of AB. 121 minus 114. 77. 77. Well done, Sudeep, Ivan, Prajwal, Harika, Shrivani, and all others. Well done, every one of you. Two equations, three variables. So we assumed C is equal to 0. Question will become A plus B given, AB given. What is A cube plus B cube? What is A cube plus B cube? Two equations, three variables. So we have assumed C is equal to 0. Today's target is 45. Yesterday was 40 only. Today's target is 45 out of 50. Margin of 5 questions. Either take it in the beginning or take it in the middle or take it in the last. X plus 1 upon x is root 5. What is x cube plus 1 upon x cube? A cube minus 3a. A cube minus 3a. Root 5 ka cube is 5 root 5 minus 3 root 5. This is 2 root 5. 2 root 5. Also you know that if x plus 1 upon x is root a, then x cube plus 1 upon x cube is a minus 3 root a. Means 3 smaller than this. 5 minus 3, 2. So this is the answer. A minus 3 root a. A minus 3 root a. Okay. This is the ideal paper because everyone wants easy questions in the beginning to boost up the confidence. But it never happens, guys. It does not happen, guys, all the time. Yeah. Everyone wants easy problems in the beginning to boost up the confidence. A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. It is possible either A plus B plus C is 0 or A is equal to B is equal to C. In 99% of the problems, it is A plus B plus C is equal to 0 because A is equal to B and B is equal to C can give two different values. Can give two different values. We will check out, guys. We will check out. So on putting the first condition, 3x minus 1 plus 4x minus 3 plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 is what? It's 7 plus 2, 9x. 7 plus 2, 9x. And this is becoming minus 5. X is 5 by 9. Oh, what is this? Chalo, dekhte hain. Let's watch out. Is my value putting is correct? 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 will cancel out. So 9x minus 3 is 0. 9x is 3. X is 1 by 3. What a beautiful question. It is not this case. It is saying that this is not this case. What a great question. It is clearly saying that I don't want x is equal to 1 by 3. It is clearly saying I don't want x is equal to 3. So what he want? He want the second case. He want the second case. A is equal to B is equal to C. So on putting A is equal to B, on putting A is equal to B, 2 is equal to X is our answer. Hardly guys, sometimes, only few times this concept is being asked. Only few times this concept is being asked, and today was that time. Only few times guys this point is being asked, and today was that time where this condition, whatever the answer coming out of from here is not allowed. You have to go for this condition. You have to go for this condition. What will come when you put B is equal to C? What will you come when you put B is equal to C? 2x is equal to 4. So, okay. So, it's a balanced question. Data is being kept balanced. Data is being kept balanced, guys. The examiner who made this question has taken care of the point which I was interested in. The examiner who made this problem, guys, has taken care of the point which I was cross-checking, that whether the two different values of x are coming or single value is coming. Great. Keep it up. A brand new question for you. Guys, do we need to put the exact value or I can just put out their ratio? Tell me the logic. Can I put the value of sine and cos in the ratio? I can, because there is no term which is independent of sine and cos. There is no term which is independent of sine and cos. So I can use sine as 3 and cos as 4. However, I know that sine cannot be 3, cos cannot be 3, cos cannot be 4. I'm taking them in the ratio. I'm taking them in the ratio, like 3k and 4k. But k is getting cancelled out. I'm taking it in the ratio 3k and 4k, but k is getting cancelled out. So it is 12 minus 4, 8, and 12 plus 4, 16, 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Yeah, you can also divide by cos and convert the problem into 10 only. Ivan, you can also divide the complete problem by cos and convert the problem into 10. That is also, guys, I used to do it in my initial days. I also like divide it by cos and make the problem as 4 tan theta minus 1 upon 4 tan theta plus 1 and put the value of tan theta and put the value of tan theta. Let's move on. Good one. What a great day. First, identify. Well done, Ivan. Well done. First, identify that 16, 63, 65 is a triplet. 16, 63, 65 is a triplet. Triplet means right angle triangle. Triplet means right angle triangle. A, B, C. Okay, BC is the longest side. Bacha, BC is the longest side. AB 16, AC 63, this is 65. From point A, straight line AM is drawn to the midpoint of BC. The midpoint of BC, a line joining the midpoint is called as median. A line joining the midpoint is being called as median. Okay? A line joining the midpoint is being called as median. Median divide the side into two equal parts. 32.5, 32.5. Okay, what is the length of median? The length of median is also hypotenuse divided by 2, 32.5. Okay, what is the proof? Everyone will tell in the words. Why does this happen? Everyone will tell in the words. Why these three sides become equal to each other? Why these three sides become equal to each other? Come on guys, tell me. Whenever it is a median, why these three sides become equal to each other? Circumradius, yes. It becomes the radius. It becomes the radius. It becomes the radius. So when you draw a circle around it, this act as a radius. This act as a circumradius. This act as a circumradius. Well done, Ivan. Keep it up. It's your day looking like. Well done, Sanoja. Well done, Harika. Keep it up. $45 is the target out of 50 today. Radius increase by 140%. 140% convert into fraction. So increment of 7 over 5. Increment of 7 over 5. Increment of 7 over 5. So you will say, so radius will increase from 5 to 5 plus 7, 12. Increment of 7 over 5. So from 5, it will become 5 plus 7, 12. So radius will become from 5 to 12. Volume. So volume is proportional to r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. 5 ka cube is 125. 12 ka cube is 1728. So how much is the increment? How much is the increment? The increment is approximately 1603 over 125 into 100. 4 times, 5 times. 5 3 ja 15. 10. 5 2 ja 10. 320 point something into 4. 1280 point something. Everyone was wrong. It is not acceptable. It's not acceptable, my dear. You lost 1 point. Now only 4 is left for you. You lose 1 point. Now only 1 point is there for you. Have you identified your error? Have you identified your error? Increment of 140%. 140 by 100, increment of 7 over 5. Increment of 7 over 5. From 5, it has become 5 plus 7, 12. Volume is proportional to R cube. So 125 to 1728. Increment of 1603 over 125. When you convert into, it is becoming 1, 2 point exact. Exact. Identified your error, that is more important. Identified your error, that is more important. Great, chalo, well done, well done. That is more important, guys. That is the, this is the learning of the day. As of now, this is one of the learnings of the day. Oh, this is quite a tricky one, yeah. This is quite a tricky one. Quite a tricky one. It should be left in the first go. It should be left in the first go. Well done, Saroja. It should be left in the first go. However, since we have done it before, so we should be doing it. Okay, there can be some correction as well. Na? I believe that this value is correct. I believe that whatever this value is given, we have done this question few days ago as well. So I believe that whatever is written over here is correct. On the first, he gains 18%. 100 is sold for 118. On the second, he lose 12%. On the second, he lose 12%. So 100 is being sold for 88. Both the selling price are equal. This is also equal to 10,384 and this is also equal to 10,384. Okay, this is also equal to 10,384. This is also equal to 10,384. Find out the multiplication factor. 88 1 ja 88. Then after that 15, 158. 88 8 ja 188. So how much? 12 from here and 58 from there. 70. Yeah. 70. 704. 704. 8 times. And if this is 88 into 118, this is going to be 118 into 88. Pretty easy to think. Pretty easy to think. If this is 88 into 118, this would be 118 into 88. So now you will say for the first, the multiplication factor is 88. So 8800 CP, 10384 SP. For the second, 118 is the multiplication factor. So 11800 is the CP and 10384 is the SP. Overall profit loss. Overall profit loss. 0 0 8 8 just 16 1. 20,600 is the CP and 8 8 8 just 16. 20,768 is the SP. So there is a gain of 168. There is a profit of 168. Actual asking actual profit, actual loss is a more tricky problem. Asking actual profit, actual loss is a more tricky problem as compared to asking profit percentage, profit loss. Because in profit percentage, profit loss, actual values are not required. In calculating profit percentage increase, percentage decrease, the actual values are not required, but here he is asking the actual gain or loss. So here the exact values are required. That is why we have used this exact value. That is why we have used this exact value, because the exact gain or loss is being asked. Clear to all? Clear to all? Great. Let's move on. Again, guys, today also you will find questions from 3 to 4 different shifts, guys. 3 to 4 different shifts. Good evening, Gopinath. Well done, Saroja. Well done. Good evening, Gopinath. Quickly share the session, guys, across your friends, across different study groups, so that others can also join us. If you have done the sharing part, guys, and if you're liking the session, you can press the like button as well. In a circle with center O, in a circle with center O, AB is the diameter, AB is the diameter, CD is a chord such that ABCD is a trapezium. Okay. To maintain the ABCD order, I have written it in this fashion. Because when I make it complete now, I have to maintain the order of ABCD as well. I have to maintain the order of ABCD as well. Trapezium, in trapezium, these sides are parallel. In trapezium, these sides are parallel. Angle back, angle back, angle BAC is given as 15. Guys, parallel, in parallel there is interior alternate angles as well. In parallel lines, there are interior alternate angles in the form of Z. If this is 15, this is also 15. Parallel lines, my dear, parallel lines. Diameter subtend 90 degree at the circumference. Diameter subtend 90 degree at the circumference. Now, it's a cyclic quadrilateral as well. If one angle is 105, if one angle is 105, another should be the remaining, that is 75. So complete DAB is 75. Complete DAB is 75. They are asking CAD only. If total is 75, one part is 15, so remaining is 60. Answer. देख लीजिए. How many of you have got it? And how many of you have done the errors? The problem is not in doing the error. The problem is in identifying it. This was 105. Then this complete DAB should be 75 to make it cyclic. If one portion is 15, another is 60. If one portion is 15, another is 60. I hope it would be absolutely clear. So what are the points? What are the logics we have used? The logic of parallel lines, the logic of diameter subtending 90 degree at the circumference, and the logic of cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral opposite angle sum is perfect. Perfect. Great. Let's move on. Percentage of students. The table shows the percentage of student and the ratio of boys and girls. Total students are given. What is the ratio of boys and girls in the college A and B taken together? Wow. There is a task in understanding the language as well. There is a task in understanding the language as well. What is the ratio of boys and girls in the college A and B taken together? Now, how you are interpreting it? How you are interpreting it? What is the ratio of boys and girls? The ratio of boys and girls. The ratio of boys and girls in college A and B taken together. In college A and B. Guys, have you decoded this like this or not? Have you done the decoding like this? The ratio of boys and girls in college A and B taken together. So boys in college A are 4 by 9 of 20%. 4 by 9 of 20%. And boys in college B are 1 by 3 of 18%. Girls in college A. Girls in college A are 5 by 9 of 20%. And girls in college B are 2 by 3 of 18%. As you can see, there is no importance of percentage. It is going to cancel out in the numerator and denominator. 6, 80 by 9 plus 6, and this is 100 by 9 plus 12. 9 6 ja 54. 54 plus 80 is 134. 9 will get cancelled out. 108 plus 100, 208. Simplify. 104 ratio 67. Wow. It's a beautiful one. It's a great one. It's a good one, my dear. Isn't it? It's a good one. Perfect. Let's move on. Divisible by 88. Divisible by 88. Only one number is missing, so I think only one rule will do the job. only one number is missing, so one rule will do the job. Divisible by 8 and 11. 8 is interested in the last three digit. It's of no use. Only 11 will do the job. Only 11 will do the job. Odd places. Odd places are 9 plus 4, 13 plus x. Even places. Even places are 0 plus 2 plus 6, 8. Sum of odd places minus sum of even places should be divisible by 11. So 13 minus 8 is 5 plus x should be divisible by 11. So x should be, I think, 6. Because 5 plus 6 is 11 and 11 is divisible by 11. So x should be 6 because 5 plus x should be divisible by 11. So x comes out to be 6. Pretty easy. Good one. Next. The first information, guys, that as you know, we are like continuously improving our offerings. In that direction, we have started the SSC English Medium channel as well. Okay, in that direction, we have started the SSC English Medium channel as well, and like our offerings over the app has also increased quite a lot. Which is in terms of, you can see in terms of free quizzes, free job alerts, free previous year PDF with the solutions. Current affairs daily, weekly, monthly. Current affairs are also available daily, weekly, monthly. Study material, test series, free courses. So if any one of you have start not using it, please start it, guys. Please see that what are the offerings which are over here. The way to download is very simple. Go to the Play Store, download the Exampur app, install it, open it, register with the name, credentials and all. Okay, practice questions are okay. Suggestions are always welcomed. Practice questions are in Hindi only. ठीक है? Point taken down, Vinod. Point taken down. What about quizzes? What about quizzes? The angle bisector of the largest angle. The angle bisector of the largest angle divide the opposite side in two equal segments. So, I'm just holding myself, giving you the sufficient time. Can I say the largest angle would be opposite to the largest side? The largest angle is opposite to the largest side. So if this is the largest angle, then it is opposite to the largest side. Other two sides are 6 and 7. What is the length of the shorter? It divides the side into two segments. So angle bisector will divide the side in the ratio of the adjacent sides. Okay. The angle bisector divide the opposite side in the ratio of the adjacent side. This part is in the ratio of 6, this part is in the ratio of 7. So obviously this is the shorter portion. This part is in the ratio of 6, this part is in the ratio of 7. Obviously this is the shorter portion. The length of it is, you have to divide 8 in the ratio 6 ratio 7 and find out the value of 6. So value of this is 6 by 13 of 8. How many of you made it correctly? Bacha, how many of you made it correctly, my dear? It was a good one. So are you still in the competition of 45 out of 50, na? How many of you are still in the competition of 45 out of 50? The target accomplished maybe. You have to divide this 8 in the ratio 6:7 because angle bisector divide the opposite side in the ratio of the adjacent sides. So you have to divide the opposite side in the ratio of 6:7. So divide 8 in the ratio 6:7, find the shorter portion. Shorter portion is 6, 6 by 7, 6 plus 7, that is 6 by 13 of 8. This. Good one. New one. So that is what is beneficial, guys. In this non-stop marathon sessions, we always get some new things. Every day we got some new things. Yeah. Okay, angle bisector. Actually, angle bisector divide the opposite side in the ratio of the adjacent sides. Angle bisector divide the opposite side in the ratio of adjacent sides. If AD is the angle bisector, then BD ratio DC is in the ratio of AB ratio AC. Yeah, Sai Teja, I think so. Yeah, I think because as you know, I'm taking 3 to 4 sessions in a day. Concept sessions, practice sessions, and different variety of sessions. As you can see, Sai Teja, I'm taking different sessions, different variety of sessions in a day. Similarity of triangles. ABC is similar to EDF. They are asking DF. So for DF, BC is required. For DF, BC is required. If the area of them is in the ratio 9:4, their side would be in the ratio √9 √4, that is 3:2. Their side would be in the ratio 3:2. So DF and BC would be in the ratio 3:2. DF and BC is in the ratio 3:2. So only BC is required. This is not required. This is not required. BC is 8. So 3 is given as 8. What is the value of 2? 3 is given as 8. What is the value of 2? So 3 is given as 8. 1 is equal to 8 by 3. So 2 is equal to 2 into 8 by 3. That is 16 by 3. Well done. Well done, my dear. Well done. Well done. Keep it up. Next. Okay. The average marks of the 50 students of the class is given as 64. 2 students are incorrectly entered instead of. These are true values, these are false values. These are true values, these are false values. So what is the sum of true values? 83 plus 23, that is 107. And what is the sum of false values? 38 plus 42, I think that is, my dear, 80. So what is true minus false? 107 minus 80. If you want to find out the correct average, then this true minus false is required. If you want to find out the correct average, then this true minus false is required. If you want to find out the correct average, then this true minus false is required. Okay. What is the correct average? So there would be a gain of 27 over 50 students. Over 50 students. So 5 just 25, after 25 2. So 0.52 gain per student. So there would be 0.52 gain per student. So there would be 0.52 gain per student. So the correct average is 64 initial average plus 0.52. क्या हुआ? 0.54. 64.54. Okay. 64.54. Yeah, approximately 0.5 increase. Approximately 0.5 increase. So increment of 27 over 50 students. Increment of 27 over 50 students is an increase of approx 0.5 or exactly 0.54. So correct average is initial average plus 0.54. 64.54. 64.54. Next. Chalo. Some relaxing ones for you as well. Divisible by 9, avoid the 9. Avoid the 9. 8 plus 6, 14 plus x. 14 plus x should be divisible by 9. X comes out to be 4. Because 18 is divisible by 9. But they are asking 2x. So 2x is 2 into 4, 8. But they are asking 2x. So 2x is 2 into 4, 8. They are asking 2x. 2x into 4 is 8. Great. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Area of an equilateral triangle is given. What is the perimeter of the triangle? Area of the equilateral triangle is given. What is the perimeter of the triangle? So area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4a square, which is given as 36 root 3. So a square is 36 into 4. So a is their root, which is 6 into 2, 12. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3a. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3a. So 3 into 12, 36. 3 into 12, 36, guys. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3a. 3 into 12, 36. Chalo. I'm standing there. Let's see whether the next problem is without option or not. Chalo, ठीक है. No issues. No issues. Yes, great. B plus C raised to the power A, C plus A raised to the power B minus 1. Something like this. Something like this. Prajal, have you done it just a few days ago or what? Prajal, have you done it few days ago or what? Because you're giving quite fast. Okay. Perfect square is equal to 0 only when any square is equal to 0, guys, only when it is 0. So you will say, sir, a plus b is equal to 2. And this should also be equal to 0. This should be equal to 0. This should be equal to 0. This should also be equal to 0. Then only they can become a 0. Then only their sum can become a 0. So b plus c is 5 and c plus a is 5. Okay, if you can think of the values, each value is fixed. You can't assume it, bacha. You can't assume it because three equation, three variables. Three equations, three variables, every value is fixed. So add all the equations. 2 times of A, 2 times of B, 2 times of C is equal to 12. So A plus B plus C is equal to 6. A plus B is 2. A plus B plus C is 6. So C is 4. B plus C is 5. B plus C is 5. So A is 1. A plus C is also 5. So B is also 1. The values of ABC are 1, 1 and 4. The values of ABC are 1, 1 and 4. The values of ABC are 1, 1 and 4. B plus C is 4 plus 1. We already know it. B plus C is 5. Ki power A, 1. C plus A, we already know 5. Ki power B. B is also 1, minus 1. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Please do see it. So, Prajwal, have you got the logic why you cannot assume the values? Yeah, here there are three equations and three variables. So each and every value is a fixed, predefined. We can't assume it. We can only assume the values in those cases where the number of variables is more than number of equations. We can only assume the values in those cases where the number of variables is more than number of equations. But here, number of equations, number of variables are equal. So we cannot assume the values. We have to find out the values. Chalo, great. Doable. A can individually do the task in 24 days. B can individually do it in 20 days. C can do it in 18 days. Assume the work. Beta 72, but this 20 is also there. So 360. To keep a common multiple, 360. To keep a common multiple, 360. 10 times, 5 times, 15 times, 18 times, 20 times. Efficiencies of ABC are 15, 18, 20. B and C start the task and work for 6 days. So B and C work for 6 days. B plus C 1 day work is 38 into 6. 8, 6 is 48, 4. 228 work done. 228 work done. Simultaneously check the calculations as well. 228 work done. 8, 6 is 48, 4, 18 plus 4. How much work remaining? Assume it 30. So 132 work is remaining. 132 work is remaining because they are now leaving. Because they are now leaving. If they are leaving, then who will do the remaining job? A will do the remaining job. 132 job with the efficiency of A, 15, will take how much time? 15 8 is 120. 15 8 is 120. 12 by 15. Simplify 8, 4 by 5. Options hai? Yes, why not? Option is present. Well done, Gopinath, Shrivani, Ivan, Prajwal, Harika and all others. 8, 4 by 5 days is the correct answer. So remaining work was 132 which is needed to be done by A. So 132 with the efficiency of 15 can be done in this much days. 8, 4 by 5. 8, 4 by 5. Let's move on, my dear. Someone please let me know his or her score along with the total questions done. Someone please let me know his or her score along with the total questions done. The more important point is the total. The more important point is the total. Because 1 hour is done. Calculation with that is also comes with Vinod practice. That also comes with practice. 20 questions done. Wow. So 50 will not even take 2.5 hour. Na? Diameter 40, so radius 20. So from a bigger radius of 20, from a bigger radius of 20, from a bigger radius of 20, I'm drawing a small spheres of radius 0.5. So radius changing from 20 to 0.5, or you can say 1 by 2. Radius changing in the ratio 40:1. Volume would be changing in the cube. 40 ka cube 64,000:1. Now, if volume is in the ratio 64,000:1, number is in the inverse ratio 1:64,000. When you want the detailed explanation of it, I would be giving you. Okay, if you can understand this by your own, then it is absolutely great. That why the volume and number is inverse. This says if the volume of the bigger ball is 64,000, then the volume of the smaller ball is, then the volume of the smaller ball is 1. So number is going to be the inverse ratio. So I can say from one bigger ball, I can force 64,000 smaller balls, because the total volume always remain constant. The total volume always remain constant. So if this is the volume for each, if this is the volume for each and this is the number, their product will always remain constant. समझ में आया? Have you got it? Have you got it? Let me write it. Volume is proportional to R cube, yeah, so that you can correlate it later. You can correlate it later. Next. Next. Oh, what is this? Chalo, question was also easy. It will work. Question was also easy. It will work. From a gain of 18% to the gain of 25%, I think 7% extra gain. 7% more gain. 7% more gain is given as 49 rupees. So 1% is equal to rupees 7. So CP is 100% is equal to rupees 700. So CP is 100% is equal to rupees 7. 7% extra gain is equal to rupees 49. So 1 is equal to rupees 7. So 100% the CP is equal to rupees 700. Now I need to be cautious. Oh, it's not there. It's not there. Three. Assume C is equal to 0. Assume C is equal to 0. A plus B is given as 9. AB given as minus 22. So what is AQ plus BQ? It is A plus B. A plus B ka whole square minus 3AB. 81 plus 66. Unit digit of 3. Unit digit of 3. Unit digit of 3 is the answer. Well done, Gopinath, Ivan, Harika and all. Unit digit of 3 is the answer. 147 into 9 is 1323. 1323. 1323 is the correct answer. Let's move on. You can check the multiple of 9 as well. You can check the multiple of 9 as well. 6 plus 3, 9, multiple of 9. 12 plus 2, 14, not a multiple of 9. 15 plus 4, 19, not a multiple of 9. 18. Only clash between 2. Only clash between 2. Then later you can eliminate which one of the following is the answer. Because AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC is always a multiple of A plus B plus C. is always a multiple of a plus b plus c. And if a plus b plus c is 9, you can check the multiple of 9 as well. Please do the sharings and liking of the session as well, guys. If you are liking it, please do not forget to, or maybe please don't wait to press the like button later on. Yeah, you can, guys, leave it at any moment. So please do it now only. 2 times the share of A is equal to the 5 times of share of B is equal to the 7 times of share of C. So divide by their common multiple. 7 5 is 35, 35 2 is 70. Divide by their common multiple to get the ratio. So A ratio B ratio C is A ratio B ratio C is 35 14 10. A ratio B ratio C is 35 14 10. The share of A, what is the share of A? The share of A is 35 over total of 35 plus 14 is 49 plus 10 59. 35 over 59 of 11800. 2 times 700 is the share of A. 700 is the share of A. So I think scoring has become quite easy now. Guys, scoring has become quite easy now. Chalo, fadafat, let's share the scores once. Let's share the scores, approximate scores or exact scores once. Let's share the approximate or exact scores once, guys. Okay. Come on, guys. Come on. It's important. $20 out of 23 approx. Well done, Prajwal. Very well done, Prajwal. 20 out of 22. Okay. Good. Good. Great. Good one. Good one. Good one. Gopinath has just joined. Harika, 22 out of 23. Well done. What do I say? It's amazing. Well done, Ivan. Guys, it is that situation where the coefficients are getting interchanged. And there is a change of sign. I might have told you about this situation when A sine theta plus B cos theta is equal to C, then B sine theta minus A cos theta is equal to D, then A square plus B square becomes equal to C square plus D square. Very, very famous trigonometry situation. Very, very famous trigonometry situation. So it is the same situation. So coefficients का square, x square plus y square should be equal to 1 ka square plus 4 ka square. That is x square plus y square is equal to 16 plus 1, 17. So what is 17? X square plus y square. One more multiplication of 17, 289. Perfect. Great. So great to see this. So great to see this, guys. So this is a well-known situation. Its proof is in squaring and adding. Its proof is in squaring and adding. Today I'm not going to do the proof because I might have done it multiple times. Two scores are excluded. Top two scores are excluded. The average is reducing. Listen me very correctly. What is the sum of those two top scores? What is the sum of those two top scores? T1 plus T2. What is the decrement in the average? 0.5 over 30 students. 5 3 ja 15. 1 decimal. $150 होना चाहिए था. It should be 150 na? 88. When the top two scores are excluded, the average marks reduced to 87.5. When the top two marks excluded, so there is a decrement of 0.5 over 30 students. There is a 15 क्यों आ रहा है ये? Okay. This 15 is denoting, this 15 is denoting, bacha, how much extra from the average. This 15 is denoting how much extra from the average. फिर तो आप confuse हो जाओगे. Then you will get confused. Do it by equation. Do it by equation. Initial average 13 to 88. Excluding the top two scores T1 minus T2. Now there are 28 students. 87.5 is the average. Oh my god, यहाँ तो आपको calculation करना पड़ेगा. Okay. So 13 to 88 minus 28 into 87.5 is the score of T1 plus T2. Is the score of T1 plus T2. How to make it simple? 13 to 88 minus 28 into 88 minus 0.5. This is the way to make it simple. This is the way to make it simple. 13 to 88 minus 28 into 88 plus 28 into 0.5, 14. उससे 14 आएगा. Harika, it will give you 14, which cannot be the score, na? Which cannot be the sum of scores. Take 88 common. Take 88 common. 30 minus 28, 2. So the sum of both the scores is 176 plus 14, that is 190. I will give you by the deviation. Guys, I will teach you by the deviation as well. But there is some extra cautious you need to take care. But there you need to take care of some extra cautious. And the difference is given as, 2. Highest, let's suppose T1, because I have assumed T1 greater than T2. So 2 T1 is 192. So T1 is by the deviation, there is a decrease of 0.5 over 28 students. So 14. Okay. If you are doing it by the deviation, then there is a total change of 14 extra. Then there is a total change of 14 extra, 0.5 into 28 students, because after excluding 2, there are 28 remaining. So 14. But 48 extra over whom? 48 extra over their initial average. So 2 students, initial average of 88. If you can think like this, then you can do by deviation as well. Yeah. But only this thinking is required. That 14 extra, change in the average 0.5 over 28 students. Change in the average 0.5 over 14 students. So 14 extra. But extra over whom? Their initial averages. Because I'm interested in their sum. So their initial was 88 and they are 2 persons. So 2 into 88 this. If you can think like this, then no problems. Otherwise, do with the equations. Perfect. Next. Looking very simple, I think. PA and PB are drawn to the circle with the external point P. PA and PB are drawn to the circle with the external points P. O is the center. OAB is given as 30. Wow. OAB 30. This is also 30. Radius 60. This is 120. Angle AOB is 120. Angle AOB is 120. If this is 120, this is 60. Because it is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic 90, 90. So sum of these two should also be 180. If sum of these two is 180, sum of these two should also be 180. So 120 plus 60 is 180. Clear? Should I draw the diagram once again, a bigger, a broader, or it is sufficient? Should I draw the diagram a bigger and broader? This was given as 30. So this is also 30 because both are radius, radius. 60. So this is 120. Okay. If this is 120, then this is 60 because they are forming a quadrilateral in which sum of these two is 180. Sum of these two is 180. So sum of these two should also be 180. So 120 and 60. Cool. Next. Well done everyone. Population of the town increases by 30% in the first year, decreases by 15% in the second year. The final population is given, the initial population is being asked. The final population is given, the initial population is being asked. 30% increment is an increment of 3 over 10 and 50% decrement is a decrement of 3 over 20, I think. And 15% decrement is a decrement of 3 over 20, converting into the fractions. In the first year, population of 10 has become 13. In the second year, population of 20 has become 17. So overall, 200 population has become, 17 into 10, 170 plus 51, 221. So overall population of 200 has become 221. Overall population of 200 has become 221. 221 is given as 11050. I think this is in the table 5 times. So 50. So 200 into 50, 10,000 was the initial population. 10,000 was the initial population. Well done, Ivan, Prajul, Self, Harika, and all others. In the first year, increasing from 10 to 13. In the second year, decreasing by 3 over 20. In the first year, increasing by 3 over 10. In the second year, decreasing by 3 over 20. In the second year, decreasing by 3 over 20. In the first year, increasing by 3 over 10. Done. Next. Wow. Wow. All are plus. Self-study is giving tukka. Good one. Good one. Three की power a is equal to 3 की power 3b is equal to 3 की power 4c. So if the bases are equal and the numbers are also equal, this means powers are also equal. This means powers are also equal. What does this mean, guys? That powers are also equal. Powers are also equal. Everyone likes a more. Everyone likes a more. So convert the total problem into a. Okay. If 3b is equal, a is equal to 3b, then B is equal to A by 3. And A is equal to 4C, then C is equal to A by 4. So it is becoming 12. The LCM is 10A might be 10A. So 10 plus 15 plus 8. 23, 33. Okay, wherever is 33 in the numerator, that is your answer. Wherever is 33 in the numerator is your answer. No need to do it further. No need to do it further, guys. Like not even required to find out the value of A. If you have a patience that okay, only this can be my answer. Only this can be my answer. No need to worry about it. No need to worry about it. You can mark it. However, if you want to make use of this equation, you can. A, B is A by 3 and C is A by 4. A cube is 144 into 12. So A is 12. Clear to all, guys? Clear to all? Clear to all? Come on, tell me. Clear to all? The answer was even very, very early clear. It was even not requiring to put the value of A. It was not even requiring to put the value of A. It was not even requiring to put the value of A. It was very, very clear in the beginning. Okay. It was clear in the very beginning. This is the way to write the 27, 3 की power 3. And this is the way to write the 81. Next. Valjan Gopinath. Okay, self. Okay. So you are like very futuristic. You are very futuristic. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC was equal to A plus B plus C. A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. The original one. The original one. And what is the second form? The second form was A plus B plus C divide by 2. Divide by 2. I'm writing it over here. Divide by 2. A minus B का whole square. B minus C का whole square. And C minus A का whole square. I think they are asking this one. They are asking this value exactly. They are asking this value exactly. So this value would be equal to the top value as well. So I will try to find out A plus B plus C. A square plus B square plus C square minus of AB plus BC plus CA. That was the logic, my dear. Guys, that was the logic. I think so. That was the logic only. So this is given as 20. This is given as 8 into A plus B plus C. So 12 into a plus b plus c. From where you will get a plus b plus c? From where you will get a plus b plus c? From the basic identity of a plus b plus c ka whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times of ab plus bc plus ca. It is 20 plus 2 times of 8. 20 plus 16, 36. So a plus b plus c is 6. I can make it bit less as well by putting c is equal to 0, as there are only 2 equations and 3 variables. I can make it little bit short, guys. I can make it little bit short. However, the problem will mostly remain the same. The problem will mostly remain the same. Only some space can be saved. Only some space can be saved. Let's try that way. Let's try that way. Two equations, 3 variables. C0, 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 C0. So AB given as 8, A square plus B square given as 20, and they are asking half A plus B, half A plus B. A minus B ka square is A square plus B square minus 2AB plus B square plus A square. That is the problem now. Guys, that is the problem now. Half A plus B, 2 times of A square plus B square minus AB. You need to find out what is A plus B. A square plus B square minus AB. Mostly, guys, mostly the same. Only the way of writing has reduced a lot. Only the way of writing has reduced a bit. If you can think of values, then also it's cool. I think even the values are clear. 4 and 2. Even the values are clear, 4 and 2. So 4 plus 2, 6. And this is given to us as 20, and this is given to us as... Chalo. We have done some modifications, and these modifications are for good. We have done some modifications, and these modifications are for good. Guys, we have done some modifications, and modifications are helpful for us. Yeah? Okay. So, two new things, guys, what I have told you over there is you can assume the third variable 0. And since the equation was simpler, so you can think about it as well. Okay, A into B 8, A square plus B square 20. So 4 and 2 are the value satisfying. So 4 and 2 are the value satisfying. So few modifications we have done. Well done. Options are looking unique. I think value putting can also work. Options are looking unique. Value putting can also work. At 45, sine and cos are equal. Sine 45, 1 by root 2, cos 45, 1 by root 2 minus 1. 2 by root 2 is root 2 minus 1. Rationalize by root 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Whichever gives you root 2 plus 1 is your answer. Whichever gives you root 2 plus 1 is your answer. Options were unique. Yeah. Sec 45 root 2, sin 45 1 by root 2. No. Sec 45 root 2, tan 45 1. No. Sec 45 root 2, tan 45 1, root 2 plus 1. Root 2 minus 1. Our answer is root 2 plus 1. Please do watch out. Please do watch out. Even the value putting is doing the job. And why it is doing the job? It is doing the job because in two options, it is the product. In two options, it is the sum. So we take a risk. We take a risk about going for value putting. And our risk has paid us back. And our risk has paid us back. Okay. Well done. This is also a good CGL shift. These small font questions are coming. This is also looking a good CGL shift. The income of A is 50% more than B. Do it from 100. So assume B as 100. So A is 150. Total is 250. A rise by 40%. 40% of 150 is 60 increment. B rise by 90%. 90% of 100 is an increment of 90. What is the total increase? Total increase is 150 over the original. Okay, whatever the increase or decrease you see, whatever is the increase or decrease you see over its original value. So what was the original sum? What is the original total? The original total was 250 into 100. Overall 60% increment. Overall 60% increment. Overall 60% increment. Overall 60% increment. Let's move on. A circle is inscribed in a triangle ABC. A circle is inscribed in a triangle ABC. Touching AB at P, BC at Q, AR at R. AR is 5. If AR is 5, AP is also 5. Tangents drawn from the external point to the circle are of equal length. Tangent drawn from any external point to the circle are of the equal length. RC 6, then this is also 6. AB 12. If this is 12, this is 5, this is 7, this is also 7. What is the perimeter? 2 times 5 is coming, 2 times 6 is coming, 2 times 7 is coming. Valjan, Ivan, Harika, Gopinath. Dana Dan, Dana D, good evening. You joined bit late. Dana D. I called you in a hurry as Dana Dan. Okay. Let's move on. A new variety will also come. A new variety will also come very soon. A cube minus b cube divided by a minus b is a square plus b square plus ab. Do it directly. This is a square, 2x ka whole square. This is b square, 3y ka whole square. And this is ab. So 2x into 3y. 4x square plus 6xy plus 9y square. A is 4. B is 6. And C is 9. Fatafat kind of solving. Fatafat kind of solving. A cube minus b cube when divided by a minus b gives a square plus b square plus ab. A cube minus b cube when divided by a minus b gives a square plus b square plus ab. Okay. Next. Tomorrow, guys, I will take some top 10 sessions, okay, topic wise. Now, for 2 days, I'm continuously taking mixed sessions. So, tomorrow, I want to take one topic wise as well. Topic wise का भी अपना अलग ही मजा है. So, tomorrow, I would be taking one number system topic wise and another 2D mensuration topic wise and one TSD and one TSD. Huge day. Huge day. Yeah, self-study. SSC is CGL is the biggest examination among the biggest examination in the country as of now. Since you are in the class 11th, you will get to know it when you will do the graduation or when you have done the graduation. '88 should be divisible by 8 and 11 both. Should be divisible by 8 and 11 both. Should be divisible by 8 and 11 both. No condition. No condition about lower minimum or maximum value. First time applying the 11. 6, 10 minus x plus y plus 7 plus 2. 9 plus x plus y should be divisible by 11. 1 minus x plus y should be divisible by 11. 1 minus x plus y should be divisible by 11. What are the possible values of x and y? 1 is 1, which is looking very, very less probable. Which is looking very less probable. Sum of 2 digits as 1 only, 0 and 1. There is no such options. Second possibility is 12. Because 1 minus 12 is minus 11 and minus 11 is divisible by 11. Second possibility is 12. So x plus y is 12. Now, last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Okay. If I take 1, 8 5 ja 40, 12, not divisible. After 1, directly take 3. After 1, directly take 3. 2 will not satisfy. 3. 8 5 ja 40, 8 4 ja 32. Yes. Y is equal to 3. Y is 3, then X is 9. 4X plus 3Y is what? Please do check out once. Please do see once, guys. Any issues whatsoever or not? Any issues whatsoever or not? I hope it would be clear. I hope it would be clear. No worries whatsoever, my dear. No worries whatsoever. Let's move on. Guys, have we crossed 40? Or at least 35? Have we crossed at least 35? Because I think from here after 30-40 minutes, I would not be extending beyond 2 hour 30 minutes. Huh? Starting little bit, same thing. Yeah. Take this cos over here, sine over cos is 10. Tan theta is 4. So perpendicular over base is 4 by 1. So perpendicular is 4, base is 1. So hypotenuse is under root of 4 square plus 1 square, 70. Or it is sine theta into cos theta. Sine theta is perpendicular over hypotenuse, cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. So it's 4 by 70. Time and work, 2 questions can be expected. Time and work, 2 questions can be expected. Yeah, SSC CHSL also very important this session. Ivan. Okay, well done. I got to know this self. Good one. Okay. Next. Good one. Good one. You have also done this way or a longer way? In boards, we used to do the questions a longer way, na? ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral whose diagonals intersect at P. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral whose diagonals intersect at P. AB is equal to BC, angle DBC is 70. Angle DBC is 70. Cyclic. Draw a small cyclic as well. It will also help to apply some cycle properties. Draw a circle as well, guys. It will help you to apply some circle properties. It will help you to apply some circle properties. Okay. Angle back. Angle back is given as 30. Guys, BA is equal to AB is equal to BC. So in this triangle, if this is 30, this is also 30. PCD. Whatever is asked, assume it theta. Whatever is asked, assume it theta. +70 plus 30, 100. So external angle of this triangle is 100. Okay. Only this angle missing. Apply the property of circle. Apply the property of circle. If this chord BC, if this chord BC has subtended 30 here, it will subtend 30 here as well by the property of equal chord subtend equal angle at a point on circumference. Equal chord, same chord subtend same angle at any point on the circumference in the same segment. If this BC chord has subtended 30 here, it will subtend 30 here as well. Triangle is complete. 30 plus 100 plus theta is 180. So theta is 180 minus 150, 30 degree. Any issues to anyone, guys? Please do let me know. Any issues to anyone? Any problem to anyone? He or she can ask me. If there is any confusion, any doubt, guys, you can still ask me. Let's move on. Let's move on, my dear, from here as well. I've used three things. One is equal sides, equal angle. One is equal side, equal angle. Another concept I used is a chord subtend equal angle at any point on the circumference in the same segment. And the third point which I used is if two internal angles are alpha and beta, external is alpha plus beta. Wow. देखो, AB is equal to BC. So if this is 30, this is also 30. If this is 30, this is also 30. It is given 70. So this external angle is sum of two internal angles, 30 plus 70, 100. This is we need to find out, so assume it theta. Now, this BC chord has subtended at A 30 degree. So this BC chord will subtend at D also 30 degree. This is difficult to identify. This is difficult to identify. That if this BC chord has subtended theta 30 at A, it will also subtend 30 at D. So 30 plus 100 plus theta is 180. Now clear? Now clear? Two to three logics were there. Two to three logics were there. Two to three logics were there. Great one. Good one. Beautiful one. Quickly like and share the session as well, guys. If you're liking it, you can do the sharings, guys. We need your support as we are building a new YouTube channel, especially for the English medium students, those who prefer to study in English, those who want to understand in English, and those who are not that much comfortable with the Hindi terminologies like Chaturbhuj, like Tribhuj, and Samkon. So this is a new initiative, and I think this initiative is very, very important looking at the present scenario. Most of the students, guys, you are studying at CBSE schools and you are desiring the government jobs, guys, then you need such platforms where the terminologies with which you are being taught from the beginning of your education. You should be comfortable with those, okay? If x is subtracted from each, they are in the proportion. If x is subtracted from each, they are in the proportion. Proportion means a upon b is equal to c upon d. To reduce the long calculations, I'm applying the dividendo in the denominator, keeping numerator as it is. This minus this is 1. Applying the dividendo, that is denominator minus numerator. Here and here as well. Keeping the numerator as it is. This minus this is 4. It will tremendously reduce the calculations. So 84 minus 4x is equal to 60 minus x. Take it this 24 is equal to 3x. X is 8. X is 8. So what is the mean proportion of x plus 1 and 7x plus 8? So x is 8, then 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 7 ja 56, 56 plus 8 64. 3 into 8 24. Oh, quality question, my dear. Quality question. Yeah, we were also from that. But terminologies, guys, terminologies in which you are comfortable always depends. Yeah. Terminologies in which you are comfortable always depends. Sometimes in bilingual batches, sometimes in bilingual courses, there is a too much use of Hindi. Sometimes in bilingual things, guys, there is a too much use of Hindi. For that, this complete English is also a required thing. Now I'm fumbling a bit. Have you observed? Only after 2 hours. How can this happen? But for the next 28 minutes, I'm there for you, for sure. I'm not going to leave before 18:30. I'm not going to leave before 18:30. I haven't got any water, nothing in this complete 2 hours. No one is here in the studios. External radius, internal radius. So hollow cylinder. So hollow cylinder, guys. External radius and internal radius both are given. What is the volume of the hollow cylinder? For the complete, it's pi r square h. So here it is pi capital R square minus a small r square into h. Which is given as 7480. Capital R minus a small r, capital R plus a small r. This is capital R, this is a small r. Thickness is capital R minus a small r. So capital R minus a small r, I can call it as thickness. Capital R is given. And small r, I can replace it by capital R minus thickness. Capital R is 9 minus thickness. ये step थोड़ा सा अच्छा था. Please observe this step very clearly. Please observe this step very clearly. And height is 1.4 meter. If everything is in centimeter, convert into centimeter as well. Multiply by 100, 140 centimeter. Is equal to 7480. What do you believe, guys? I think the problem is over. The problem is over. 22 by 7 into t into 18 minus t into 140 is 7480. 20 times 0 going 11 2 ja 11 6 ja 66, 11 8 ja 88. 4 is simplifying. 4 is simplifying 17 times. So t into 18 minus t is 17. T into 18 minus t is 17. Any common sense? T is 1. 1 into 18 minus 1 is 17. So t is 1 centimeter. Lajabab. Lajabab. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect, guys. Come on, tell me. Okay, you find out the small r. Okay, some people have find out the small r. You can do that way as well. You can do that way as well where you are finding the small r. Where you are finding the small r, 22 by 7 into 9 का square minus small r का square into 140 is 7480. 81 minus r square is 17. So 81 minus 17 is r square. So small r square is 64. So small r is 8. Yeah, that was also cool, na? Now I'm feeling that this is a bit more easier. What do you say? A small r is 8. So thickness is capital R minus small r. 9 minus 8, 1. Chalo, both ways are available to you. It's a coincidence, guide, that which becomes easier what time. Okay, it's a coincidence that what becomes easier what way. So here, if you solve it keeping r square in mind, you can also get the answer. You can also get the answer. This was a big CGL shift, na? These questions, whatever are coming from some good CGL shifts. These questions, whatever coming, are coming from a good, very good CGL shifts. Some good CGL shifts. Maintain the order, maintain the parallel. Maintain the order, maintain the parallel. Don't take risk. Don't take risk, bhai. Maintain both things. Here both things are getting maintained. AB parallel to DC and ABCD. Don't take risk. Okay. So both things are maintained in making like this. Diagonals. AP 3x minus 1. PC 5x minus 3. BP 2x plus 1. PD 6x minus 5. Okay, by the similarity of triangles, I'm directly giving you the standard result. Product of these two parts is equal to product of these two parts. That is, PA into PD is equal to PC into PB. From where it comes? It comes from similarity. If someone will ask you from where it comes, you will say, we can derive it. Don't think of us as we remember something. We can derive it. It comes from similarity of triangles. PA is 3x minus 1. PD is 6x minus 5. PC is 5x minus 3. And PD is 2x plus 1. Now guys, they are not even asking the value of x. Otherwise, we would have gone for the option putting. Now they are not even asking the value of x, otherwise we would have gone for the value putting. So we have to solve it. 18x square minus 6x minus 15x plus 5 is equal to 10x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 3. 18x square minus 21x plus 5 minus 10x square plus 6x minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. 8x square minus 21 and plus 1 minus 20x plus 8 is equal to 0. Bacha, 8 8 just 64. Product is 64, sum is 20. So 16 and 4. 16 and 4. Break it into 16 and 4. Take 8x common from here, x minus 2. Take minus 4 common from here, x minus 2. So either x minus 2 is equal to 0 or 8x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 1 by 2 are the solutions. X is equal to 2 or x is equal to 1 by 2 are the solutions. Length of dB 8x minus 4. X minus 4. Take x is equal to 2 because all values are integral, not fraction. ये तो भाई बहुत ही बड़ा क्वेश्चन हो गया ना. It was a big question. So these questions will always make you remind that there is a long way to go. These questions will always make you remind that there is a long way to go. These questions will always make you think, okay, there is a lot to study. Otherwise, what happens in the CGL preparation? Some students get carried away, get casual. So whenever you got casual, do attempt such problems. So you will have to realize that there is a lot to learn as of now as well. Okay. Yeah, even guys, I can give you the way of finding out the roots directly, which I taught you to the banking aspirants. Yeah, which I taught it to the banking aspirants. 8 8 just 64. The product is 64 and the sum is 20. The product is 64, the sum is 20. So roots are, what are the fractions? 16 and 4. 16 and 4. In case of plus minus plus, both roots are positive. Divide by the coefficient of x square. From banking. From banking. Just break into two factors. Just break into two factors, which can give the product 864 and give the sum as 20. And give the sum as 20, 16 and 4. Divide by the coefficient of x square, 2 and 1 by 2. In case of minus and plus, both roots are positive. Banking aspirants use this a lot. नहीं, मैं तो बैंकिंग भी पढ़ाता हूँ ना. आई टीच द बैंकिंग एज वेल ना. तो बैंकिंग वालों का तो इसके बिना होगा ही नहीं. But since I know that CGL students like don't read that much of quadratic, great. Two options. What does it says? This says it's a quadratic. Two values of tan theta is coming. So complete quadratic solving is required. No famous value will satisfy it. What does it says? What is the point of giving two values? It says it will require the complete quadratic solving. What does it says? It says it will require the complete quadratic equation solving. Tan theta. Tan theta is perpendicular over base. Tan theta is perpendicular over base. In 4 by 3, 4 by 5, 5 by 4, 4 by 3, this can be perpendicular over base because 5 is generally the hypotenuse. 5 is generally the hypotenuse. If you are the lack of the time. If you want to cross check it. 4, 3, 5. What is cot? 3 by 4 ka square. What is cosec? 5 by 4. Cross check beta. Come on, have you got it? Have you got it? Okay. Because here tan theta is perpendicular over base, 4 by 5 is generally the hypotenuse in case of 3 and 4. In case of 3, 4 and 5, in case of 3, 4 and 5, in case of 3, 4 and 5, 5 is generally the hypotenuse. Gone, gone, gone. You go for it. However, since you are not having the trust over your logic, so you cross check it once as well and it's satisfied. You cross check it once as well and it's satisfied. Okay. Good. Yeah, I can solve it by quadratic. Okay, I will do it after this one. Maybe you have to use the Dhanacharya formula then. Speed of A upon speed of B is under root of time taken by B upon time taken by A. What is the time taken by B? A takes this time and B takes this time. So time taken by B is 8 and time taken by A is 49 by 8. 8 by 7. B is given as 16.8. A is 19.2. A is 19.2. A is 19.2. Yes, 19.2 is absolutely correct. 19.2 is absolutely correct. Ivan, look at it fast. Convert this cot square into cosec. So cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. So cosec square theta minus 1 is cot square theta. Twelve cosec square theta minus 12 minus 31 cosec theta plus 32 is equal to 0. 12 cosec square theta minus 31 cosec theta plus 20 is equal to 0. Bacha, 240. 240 and 31. 240 and 31. Think. 240 and 31. सोच पाओगे? नहीं सोच पाओगे? Go for Dhanacharya. Go for Shri Dhanacharya. Cosec theta is minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Minus of minus 31 plus 31 plus minus b square. 31 का square 961 minus 4ac 4, 12, 20 divide by 2a. $48,960. 1. Cosec is 4 by 3. Cosec क्यों आ रहा है ये? बच्चा, why it is cosec? What happened? It should be cot, na? We converted the problem into cosec. We converted the problem into cosec. Okay. Yeah, 15, 16 is also correct. We converted the problem into cosec. देखना यहाँ पर क्या प्रॉब्लम है. Another value is 30 by 24. Cosec is 5 by 4. Okay, from second it is coming. From second it is coming. From second it is coming. From this you will get cosec as 4 by 3. So 4 is this, 3 is this. So this will become under root of 16 minus 9, 7. From here you will get the second solution. From here you will get the second solution. Here tan theta will come. From here you will get the second solution, and from minus you will get the first solution. From minus you will get the first solution. From plus you will get the second solution. From minus you will get the, from minus sign you will get the first. Here I have taken care of minus sign, and here I have taken care of plus sign. Correct na? One value is coming from minus sign, another is coming from plus sign. From plus sign, different triangle. From minus sign, different triangle. From minus sign, different triangle. From plus sign, different triangle. I'm going to, guys, wind up the session in the next few minutes, yeah? Please do share the scores. The total upon correct. I'm going to wind up the session in the next few minutes, yeah? I'm going to wind up the session in the next few minutes. Please do share the updated scores. Cos square theta is 3 cot square theta minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is 3 cot square theta minus 3 cos square theta. 4 cos square theta is 3 cot square theta. Cot is cos over sine. Sine square theta is 3 by 4. Sine theta is root 3 by 2. Sine theta is root 3 by 2. Theta is 60 degree. Cot 60, 1 by root 3. Cosec 60, 2 by root 3. 3 by root 3 is the answer. Three by root 3 is the answer, and 3 by root 3 is root 3. And 3 by root 3 is root 3. Well done, Harika, Ivan, and Prajwal. So can I say now 45 done? Can I say now 45 done? Can we do 5 questions more to reach this ultimate target of 50? Just in the next 7 minutes. In the next 7 minutes. This is, I've already told you guys, those who have joined late, our Exampur app has been like beautifully designed and we are working over it every day. We are working over it every day, guys, so that to make its offering more, to make its offering more worthy. चलो आसान है. If nothing is said about time, means they have started at the same time. If nothing is said about time, means they have started at the same time. If their speed is in the ratio 2:3, if their speed is in the ratio 2:3, they will cover the distance also in the ratio 2:3. They will also cover the distance in the ratio 2:3. Divide 800 km in the ratio 2:3. So total 5 is equal to 800. 1 is equal to 160. So 2 is equal to 320. 3 is equal to 480. So meeting point is 320 km from A. The shortest. The meeting point is 320 km from A. The meeting point is 320 km from A. Speed is in the ratio 2:3. The distance covered by them would also be in the ratio 2:3. What to say? What to say? ये तो खतरनाक लग रहा है भाई. This is looking among the best of the day. This is looking among the best of the day. Literally the best of the day. You have to break into two factors. You have to make two perfect factors. One with the help of xy. This is your 2ab. So it would be requiring y square and x square. One factor completed. Hello, Mr. Nishant Barik. One x square is used, another x square is remaining. This is used, both x square used, plus 6x plus 9. Okay? See, this is becoming x plus 3 ka whole square, and this is becoming x minus by ka whole square. From the first, x is coming minus 3, and from the second, x is coming y. So can I say x and y both are is equal to minus 3? X and y both are is equal to minus 3? First, we will use that x and y both are equal. So 4x cube minus x cube plus x square into x square. First, I am using that both of them are equal. So 3x cube plus x की power 4. Now put the value of x is equal to minus 3. Now put the value of x is equal to minus 3. Three की power 4 plus 81 minus 27 into 3 minus 81. Watch out. Watch out. Guys, why this question cannot be done with value putting? Why this question cannot be done with value putting, like assuming y is equal to 0? Can you do it by assuming y is equal to 0? Can you do it by assuming y is equal to 0? If you will assume y is equal to 0, let's suppose, then 2x square plus 6x plus 9 is 0. Now, the possibility is there that y can give you real value, x can give you real value, or the possibility is also there that it will not give you the real value as well. Let's check. X is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac. No, it will not give you the real value because discriminant is negative. Discriminant is negative, so it's imaginary. So today you got to know that why only in these questions we cannot make use of the value putting. Why only in these questions, guys, we can't use the value putting? We have to break it into two factors. You got to know or not? Discriminant is negative, so it's a imaginary. So by taking y is equal to 0, x is coming imaginary, how can we put those values? Over. Over and out. X minus 6 plus 6 by 2. Shrivani, please do check it once more. Shrivani, please do check it once more. The vertices of a triangle lies on a circle with center O. The vertices of the triangle lies on the circle with center O. SR is a tangent to the circle at point R. SR is a tangent to the circle at point R. QR bisect the angle OSR. चलो ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया. ORS theta theta. Theta theta. Bisect means theta theta. Guys, the angle between a chord and a tangent The angle between a chord and a tangent is same as what this chord make at any other point on the circumference, theta. This is radius, this is also radius. If this is theta, this is also theta. Theta, theta. Okay, from the chord property, if this is theta, this is 2 theta. From the chord property, if at the circumference the angle is theta, then at the center it is 2 theta. I will check it, Srivani. You know it's quite 3 hours almost. I will check it. Even I'm not getting the question, okay? So, the sum of these three should be equal to 180. 2 theta plus theta plus theta, 4 theta should be equal to 180. So, theta is 45. What is R PQ? Theta 45. ये तो गजब क्वेश्चन था. It was gajab, isn't it? It was gajab. What do you say? So root 36 minus 36 is my negative, na? So negative is a imaginary, na? Anything coming negative inside a root is an imaginary number, na? Shrivani. Anything coming negative inside a root is an imaginary, na? 36 minus 72 is minus 36 inside a root. And minus 36 inside a root is an imaginary. It will become 6i. Yeah. Chalo. So guys, let's call it a day. I hope you might have enjoyed. You might have do some new questions, some old questions, some. So what is in the menu Prajual today? What is in the menu Prajual today? So take care of yourself. Have a great time. I will meet you tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow also there is abundance of my sessions. Tomorrow also, guys, there is abundance of my sessions coming. 3 to 4 sessions of my will come. One is top 15 questions of number system. Another is top 15 questions of 2D mensuration. Another is time, speed, distance, part 6. Shrivani, is it clear na? Root minus 36 is an imaginary number. Okay, thank you very much. Take care of yourself, guys. If you like the session, please do not forget to like the session before going. If you like it, guys, please do not forget to share the session. Like go and stammering. Okay, please don't forget to like the session before going. Thank you very much, Prajwal, Harika, Evan, and everyone else. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. See you soon. Tomorrow there is again an abundance of my sessions, so please be there. Please be there. Take care of yourself. Have a great time.